Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious slow cooker honey garlic butter chicken thighs. This is an easy yet delicious meal to make on a busy day. This video is kindly sponsored by Buydeem Slow Cooker. This is an intelligent multifunctional cooker. It's great for slow cooking and it's very versatile because you can use it to sear, saute, braise, and do so much more all in the same pan. I absolutely love and highly recommend this slow cooker. I'm going to leave a purchasing link together with a coupon code in the description box. Let's get started with the recipe. We're using bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs for this recipe, and we're going to start by seasoning them with salt and black pepper. Make sure you season both sides of the chicken very well. Once the chicken has been seasoned, we're going to sear them in the slow cooker. So I have my Buydeem slow cooker here. The slow cooker comes with a detachable non-stick pan, which makes cleaning and cooking very easy. There are 5 very useful cooking functions on this slow cooker. You can use it to sear, saute, braise, and do so much more. It is highly versatile. Since we're going to sear the chicken, I've gone ahead and set the slow cooker to the sear/saute setting. We're going to drizzle some olive oil into the slow cooker's non-stick pan. As soon as the oil gets hot, we're going to add the chicken thighs. We want the chicken to develop a nice sear, so make sure you don't overcrowd your pan, otherwise the chicken will not sear very well. We are searing the chicken for 3 minutes on the skin side, then we're going to turn them over and sear them for another 3 minutes on the other side. I really love that I can sear the meat in the slow cooker because it makes things so much easier, and searing the meat adds so much flavor to the recipe. As soon as the chicken has developed this beautiful golden brown sear on both sides, remove them from the pan, then set them aside for later. I love how the slow cooker has seared the meat perfectly well. I'm going to set the slow cooker to the saute setting. Get rid of any excess oil in the slow cooker. Then we're going to saute some cut up onion. The saute function of the slow cooker is perfect for sauteing all your vegetables before slow cooking in order to enhance flavor. Once the onion has sauteed for about 1 minute, we're going to add some minced garlic. We're going to saute the garlic for 30 seconds. And then we're going to add some white wine. The wine adds a little kick to the meal, but if you don't want to use alcohol, you can use chicken broth. Next, we're going to add the seared chicken. We're going to drizzle some honey all over the chicken thighs, and then we're going to place some slices of butter onto each chicken. I'm going to cover with the slow cooker lid, and then we're going to slow cook the chicken for 4 hours on high. This slow cooker has the option to cook on high or low for up to 24 hours of cooking time, which is awesome. So it's been 4 hours and the chicken has finished slow cooking. The Buydeem slow cooker is customized to keep your food warm for up to 8 hours after it's done cooking. Look at how amazingly delicious the chicken is looking. The slow cooker has an even distribution of heat, and so it cooks food perfectly. The chicken came out so flavorful. There's so much delicious sauce to enjoy the chicken with. The chicken came out juicy, tender. It falls right off the bone. I absolutely loved cooking with the Buydeem slow cooker. I love the fact that I can saute, sear, and cook everything in the same pan. What sets Buydeem slow cooker from all the other slow cookers is the fact that the slow cooker's base is designed to be compatible with various cookware. You can use cast iron, ceramic, or stainless steel pans on the slow cooker's base. It is highly versatile. I'll leave a purchasing link together with a coupon code for the slow cooker in the description box if you guys are interested. All ingredients and measurements for today's recipe will be in the description box. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you to Buydeem for partnering with me.